Hello guys, welcome back to Pantology. In this video, we're going to start a new course, Android. So, this was a course I was recently learning. Let us continue. Basically, what do we mean by Android hacking? So, Android hacking refers to the unauthorized access, manipulation of, or exploitation of an Android device. Could be smartphone, tablet, an application to gain control, yeah, steal data, or disrupt functionality. So, it involves exploiting security vulnerabilities in the Android operating system, Android OS, installed apps, or network connection to act without the user. So basically, Android hacking refers to hacking of Android. Basic simple words. Steal data, compromise things, ask money for data, personal data.
Just like
or
normal, like fishing
yeah,
or ransom.
yeah, phishing. If you are phishing an Android device, you could that's an Android hack. So basically, next, what is jam? So in this course, we will also be learning jam. So we'll have to know about basically a free open source, easy to install software package that creates a local web server environment. So basically, it allows developer to test your website application in a local environment for local. So it use Apache, MariaDB, MySQL, and Perl before publishing for the server. So LAMP is basically a cross-platform working on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So basically, in it you can create local web server environment or anything. You can install it and create a local web and it will Apache, MariaDB, and Perl before. So will help us.
Like if you post and maybe them, what will it tell you?
Basically, this is a local server environment, and this get further. Okay, I'm just look overview about them. We'll talk about that.
So I
Great
just want to
notes.
know, is it like virus total website where files and has malware virus?
What do you mean by this? It is not hash total. Hash total is website where you test a file or document or URL edit. So that is a complete different. A local web server environment. It allows developer to test their website for database servers like SQL, MariaDB, Apache. What is RAT? So in this course, we will be learning about RAT also. So basically, RAT is a remote access trojan. It is a type of malware that allow hacker to take complete control of an Android device remote. Once it is installed, the attacker can spy on the victim, their personal data, or control the phone without the consent or without the user knowledge.
What is the difference between frozen or cat? Like they both are, there are many types of frozen. I just want to know that a normal person is kind of the why we that you
So basically, we say it remote access trojan because this can help us to get the remote access of. Basically, we are controlling the thing from far more distance. Remote access, like we use the remote. We are
like
using
if
the computer. We are using the Android device from a far point with a remote.
like if I'm a hacker and you are a user and I hack into your device for working on it and then I just secretly spy on what you are doing, websites you app you are using.
Yeah.
And then I steal your data. Like, and then I can take a complete takeover to your device. I can do anything. Like I can create any new file and run it. Right?
So let us learn about some tools for protection. So basically, text, right? The highly protected, and it is using fake apps, scam, banking fraud, and it involves full control of the victim device, logging in. You're saving the key where, like credential.
Like you are saving a cookie
Uh,
of
yes, where you log
user
in
and name and
into some
password.
website or app, you are saving credential for key logging, and you are screen recording, you have camera, access, often described as legitimate, like they have our game hides it, considered legitimate application. Second one is static. The newer Android app in 2025 is specializing in live screen and real-time remote UI control. Or it also includes the one-click capability, allowing it to easily bind with legitimate application to facilitate still development. As advanced notification OTP, or you can say one-time password. So next one is Spinot. It's a widely used Android RED. It disguises itself as Tier 1 cracks RED as legitimate application. Trick a user into granting permission like we do in all apps when on permission, app permission, message location.
Like they are all the tools you can use to perform a rat.
Yeah. In this tool you can uh, what access and
So
Android
we are
device.
learning this to think like as a hacker.
We are learning as this as a educational purpose.
Obviously, it's
Yeah.
for education purpose. I'm just telling you that we were putting ourselves if what will the hacker do. So these three tools you said they are for remote access.
Yes.
So do the police force and forensic team also use
So, yeah, the police team should be learning it as they do not perform attacks on it. They only use it to get one.
like
Like
Spinout has the GPS location tracking. So
yeah,
yes,
they use like for bounty. Might have heard of. So they basically perform attack on some files, etc. That's their. So basically, we were talking about Spinal. It provides features like SMS, drive microphone, and GPS. Let's move on to another tools. So HyperRed, ReferRed, and the Red Ghost. HyperRed, Russian language Android Red, known for its use in malicious advanced features like Telegram. So it is sold as subscription. A low-skill hacker, low-skill as a attacker or hacker, that campaign with it is a tool for a low-skill hacker. They can use it as Telegram. So will not might use HyperRed. Will basically focus on scams. There are a lot of scams. So next tool is ReferRed, an open source tool that provides extensive control for private and ransomware manages and lock screens. You heard of ransom, I'll tell you what it is. Like you hacking your data and you are asking a ransom it like you are asking 10,000 which have compromised. That is it. Android, a well-known open source that allows hackers to control infected device, extract data, and easy to use tool. I have used it before. I'll show you how to use it next week. So the next tool is Ghostpy. So it's basically a web-based sophisticated that specialized stealing data and providing persistent control while uninstalling. Basically, it is post uh, resist uninstallation and cards itself and tails data from the device and in this video. This was it. Next video, cover other topics. Stay tuned. Bye bye.